Today, product review is Pollo's chicken sandwich. Let's see if the hype is really as good as the hype. Now, of course, advertisement never looks as good as what you actually get the final product. Let's do it. Smells like chicken. Standard chicken sandwich. I'd say something interesting in this. Okay, they do have pickles. It's crunchy, so I know it's deep fried. It is well seasoned. I can't determine what spices they're using. But currently, as of today, if you get this as a meal, you get the sandwich for $1. To me, this is like $4 and something. You also get a soda with it. But compared to the regular price of the sandwich, which is going for $8.40. Is it worth $8.40? A dollar? Go give it a shot. But is it a bad sandwich? Absolutely not. This is on par, if not slightly better, than Popeye's chicken sandwich. And actually, thinking about it, I think this might be better than Popeye's. They have a very unique seasoning combination that they've used on this chicken that makes it mouth-watering. This is, despite I do not eat greasy fried foods, this is gonna get taken care of tonight. This sandwich is not only crispy, the bread is, I want to say it's not gluten, but because most breads are. But this bread is very calming to the stomach. This is definitely made out of chicken breast because of the texture I can tell in my mouth. But this chicken sandwich is absolutely to die for. If I had to rate it on my scale of 1 to 10, this is a solid 9.5. It's not a perfect chicken sandwich. This is probably as perfect as you ever going to get when looking at a chicken sandwich. This is absolutely mouthful. It is, I don't know what to say. I could sit here and just sniff it all day and just fall in love again. If you want to fall in love with food again, don't buy this sandwich. It's absolutely delicious, and it's mouthwatering, and it is, again, like I said before, I think the price tag is a little high, but right now, until November the 11th, this sandwich is going for $1 if you get it as a meal. The meal is only $4, which still is cheaper than if you went and bought one from, what's that other place called? Popeyes. It's absolutely delicious. Post in the comment. Run out and get you one now. Pollo's. If I would need you, they should also have currently have the sale on again till November the 11th. Grab you one for $5. All you're going to get is the soda and the sandwich. Give it a try. Come back in the comments and say, Ron, you were right. Ron, this doesn't match up with Popeyes. Or Ron, whatever your personal opinion is on what you think of this sandwich is. Because I'm telling you, this sandwich is quite good. I'm quite impressed. If you ever tried the chicken before, you'd be quite impressed. I'm telling you, They're giving Popeyes a run for their money. Price wise, they're just as expensive as Popeyes. 20-piece chicken for $40. I can go get a bag of chicken for £10 for 10. But I also understand operating costs. They have people they have to pay for. This is absolutely delicious. So, my advice for you today, my product review, 9.5. Off the rip. You need to go give this a try. Until next time, family, you take care of yourself. Live long, live healthy. You need to keep watching my videos. Take care. I'll talk to you later.